Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Again, I just got a Volvo XC90 with a V8 engine. Today I'm going to change the transmission fluid. The procedure I'm going to use should be applicable to pretty much any car. Of course, for a different car, it will be slightly different. For example, the hose will be different, and definitely the transmission fluid is not going to be the same. But it all based on the same principle that most cars, there is a cooling line of transmission fluid to the radiator. Okay, I will show you a picture. It's not probably too easy to see in a video, but it's one over here. You can disconnect it, and then you put a hose onto the radiator side, which is the one that fluid will come out, and then you run the engine, the fluid will come out, and then you add the fluid somewhere else, and however much come out, you add however much into it. And that's all. Of course, if you want, you can go through the procedure of checking the transmission fluid, which is different from car to car. For this car, it's pretty difficult. I'm probably not going to do it. So that's the basic idea, honestly. For this car though, there is a piece for air intake. I already removed it, just 2 8mm, and pull it out to give myself a little bit more space. And that's all. Hopefully it works out. I need to have the measurement pretty accurately, so that's why I have my oil bottle. I already marked it as quarts. Also have a collection pen on the bottom, just in case something comes out. I want to measure those one too. But if everything goes well, there should be very little coming out, and everything should be in a collection bottle. So we'll see, and I'll let you know what happened at the end. Now, to remove this one though, there are two tabs, green tab that we can snap onto, and the light should come up. Here, a few drops. Okay, that's good. Well, after a little bit of wiggling, it came off. Only a few drops come out. So nothing substantial at all, which is fantastic, and of course this makes it a super clean one. I will zip tie the holes here to make the opening pretty much straight up, so I can put a funnel onto it. And of course I will cut it up later on. Okay, this side though, I try to push the tubing as well as possible. And I am going to put electrical tape on the outside. Make sure it never comes off until I want it to come off. Also, I want to make sure that nothing leaks. This is the entire setup. Hose on one side, funnel on the other. Now, if you have a different car, your hose may be different size, and you may have a better location to add transmission fluid. For this car though, you have to take a few pieces in order to reach the one on the transmission. That's why I do it in this way. If you happen to have the same car, the hose is 3/4 outer diameter. Inner is not important. I will give you a link in the description to Amazon if you want to buy from there. Also, the link to the transmission fluid. This car does not have a transmission filter, if you wonder. And now just start the engine. And let me tell you the truth, I was scared because the fluid came out so quick. Within a few seconds, I already get 2 quarts. Of course, different car, the speed is different, and I unfortunately did not have the chance to take video, only a picture. The fluid was dark, especially if you look at what's in the bottle. Now slowly add ATF, however much come out, add however much into it. Repeat the process. After 12 quarts, this is how the liquid look like. It look like new now, so we can stop. Now let's compare the fluid. On the left side is at the beginning, and the right side is at the end. Look very different. Finally, of course, reconnect the transmission cooling line, and that's all. Very simple, clean, and easy way to change the transmission fluid. Of course, you can check the level according to the method for your car. I did not check because it's too difficult, and I just feel it is not necessary. So if this video is helpful for you, please make sure you like this video, and even better, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.